Hey guys, what is up? This is me, Jacob. Today we're back again with another video. Sorry for not posting for like, I don't know, a couple of weeks. Today we're back again. We are doing the 2-week review on the Gator tonneau cover. And we got ourselves with us, my dad. How you doing?
Good. I just want to say we love our tonneau cover.
Yeah, there it is. I'm a little bit into it. All right, hold up. Let me get out first. All right, guys. So now that I'm out of my home for like the next week, today we're gonna be asking him a couple questions about how it's been going, and another review about what the product is. All right. So what is this product?
This is the Gator Retractable Tonneau cover, and it is great.
Awesome.
I've washed the truck, did a car wash, taken that really good. Goes down the highway really nice. Doesn't make any noise. Keeps stuff dry, keeps my golf clubs dry, keeps my golf clubs safe. I'm in there all the time now.
All right. So where'd you buy this off from again?
This is realtrucks.com.
All right.
And they have a lot of stuff for your truck.
Yeah. So with that, since like we said, we had this for around 2 weeks. Like you said, we've taken it on the highway and everything, used it for daily use. And have you found any leaks at all?
Not totally waterproof, but it's good enough for me. I mean, not a lot of water gets in. Most water stays out depending on which way the truck is sitting. If it's leaning to where the water pulls up, then obviously it will drip in there a little bit. But if it's downhill, pretty much runs right off. So.
All right. That's what it looks like.
You just pull the bar down, the little pull thing. Access to your full bed now. Here they have little locks that you can lock in to different stations, which we decided not to put in, but I do believe I am going to put in the last lock.
These are what the locks.
So I kept them.
Locks look like that, and they have. What would you say? Are these like wheel bearings that go in there, or they're like little?
The tonneau cover locks go into the locks, and the retractable is on bearings. When you pull it forward, then the little locks go over the bevels here and lock it. Boom, it's locked.
All right.
And it's locked good. When you shut the tailgate of these new trucks, they're locked. Nobody's getting in there. You hit the lock button, you can't get in. No way to get in here now.
So what would you give it out of 5 stars?
I'm gonna give this thing a 5-star rating. I like it. It supposedly holds 300 pounds. I'm not gonna let Jacob get up there and try it.
Dang it.
It says it can hold 300 pounds up here. That's pretty neat.
And what is this made out of?
This is a carbon fiber.
Yeah, you
You're
wishes.
just trying to make me say aluminum.
You wishes.
No, I can't pronounce.
All right, guys. So that looks like it's about to be the end of the video. I have more videos coming, so don't worry about that. They're coming. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like. If you didn't, dislike. And yeah, it'd be cool if you guys could help me grow my channel and give me subscribe maybe. I don't know. What do you think? All right. That was a good one. All right, there's one last look. The little Denali HD 3500. And yeah, that's gonna be in a video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.
This is the 19th blooper.
Oh no.